What's the meaning of braise? Braise. Braise.
Braise. Braise. Braising is a cooking method that involves browning food in oil or fat, and then simmering it slowly in a covered pot with a small amount of liquid, such as broth or wine. This results in a tender and flavorful dish with a rich, concentrated sauce. The low, slow heat of braising helps to break down tough cuts of meat, making them more tender and juicy. Braised dishes are often served with hearty sides like mashed potatoes or crusty bread, and can be made with a variety of ingredients, including beef, chicken, vegetables, and even fruit. Overall, braising is a delicious and versatile cooking technique that is perfect for creating comforting, satisfying meals.